Hello, let's install your new Sedria One-Piece Toilet. We'll guide you step by step so you can install with confidence. Before you begin, there are a few important steps. Turn off your water supply. Ensure the toilet fits in your space by double-checking the rough-in measurement, bowl width, and toilet height. Next, gather your supplies. You will need a supply line and a Phillips head screwdriver. If you are replacing an old toilet, you can use the existing supply line. You may also find these supplies handy. Now, we recommend taking all of the included components out of the box to ensure everything is ready and within reach. Ensure that any old wax or debris is cleared from the flange and floor. Inspect the flange to ensure it is fully intact. Insert and align the T-bolts into the flange. Hand tighten the hex nuts to keep them upright. Prepare your wax ring. Ensure any rags or covers are removed from the flange. Place your wax ring onto the flange. For an easier installation, use masking or painter's tape to mark the center of the bolt's position on the floor and draw an alignment guide with a pen or marker. Then, mark the holes on the toilet bowl with tape and draw an alignment guide in line with the bolt hole. Keeping the toilet level, lower the toilet over the flange. Be sure to remove tape guidelines promptly before applying pressure to the toilet. Using your body weight, press down on the toilet until it is resting on the floor and is not rocking. Next, insert the mounting nut through the bowl's side holes, with the Face Up label visible. Slide the nut over the bolt and rotate it until the notches face up, and then hand tighten it until it's snug. Ensure the toilet is level using a carpenter's level. Insert a screwdriver into the notch of the mounting nut. Turn to tighten until you hear a click. Be careful not to over-tighten. Snap on the side caps. Now to install the water supply, start by hand tightening the supply line to the tank's fill valve, located on the bottom of the toilet's tank. Slowly turn on the water supply. Be sure to check for leaks around the base of your toilet. And carefully rest the tank lid on top. Lastly, install the toilet seat per your seat's provided installation instructions. The installation is complete. You've successfully installed your Sedria One-Piece Toilet. If you have any questions while installing your toilet, Gerber's dedicated customer care team is ready to help. Please visit gerber-us.com/support to view contact information and hours of service. Your tried and true Gerber toilet is ready to use. Thanks for going with Gerber.